Hello, everybody, and good morning.
My name is Maya.
This is Simi.
And this is Jade.
And we are the beginners. And I am Ebony. I teach the beginner class.
Yes.
Yes.
And we have a good time to go. And the class is 999. And if you want a toy, just ask your daddy and buy a toy for you.
Okay, what did we talk about today? About what?
We talk about a dream.
About dreams, right?
Yeah. And the dream has that thing that I have this.
Yes.
See? A dream.
God have good plans for our life?
Yeah.
Yes, He does. Do Jesus love you?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes, He do. How do you know Jesus loves you?
Because He cares you. He takes care of you. Yes, He takes care of you in the only way to get there.
Very
But
good.
But if you don't take care of you, you'll be mad.
Okay. So these are the beginner classes, and I just wanted them to, just to let you know
Yeah,
what they do
in
the class, and I want them to also sing a song. Y'all want to sing?
Yeah.
Okay, come together and sing. I'm gonna have them sing.
Joy,
joy, down in my heart. Where?
Down in my heart.
Where?
Down in my heart.
The joy, joy, down in
my heart.
Where?
Down in my heart.
Where? Oh, and I'm so
happy.
very happy. I've got the love of Jesus. Thanks, Simi. And I'm so happy, so very happy.
I got the love of Jesus in my heart.
Yay! Give God a hand praise. Okay, thank you, Simi. Thank you, Jaden. See you later.